guys, it's Pokemon Farah Girl here with a new vid. I'm out of hibernation. Please gift me if you like my clothes.
What Pokemon? I haven't started recording yet.
You haven't started recording? Well, too bad. I started. Vinityy.
No, you gotta record. I mean, restart.
I don't know. I'll just edit. I'll edit this part out.
Just restart.
Nah.
Oh, okay. Oh my god, come here. Where is you?
I'm in your den.
Just come over here, woman.
Gonna sit in your
Wait, come up. Go upstairs.
Gonna sit in.
Gotta sit in the mud bath. I call this side.
Fine, I call this. Okay. Hello. It's Pokemon Farah Girl. No. Wait. What?
Not yet.
Fine. Take it forever. I'm gonna totally include this part in the video.
Go. Hey guys, it's Pokemon Farah Girl, and then be like, and I'll be like, and Vinityy here.
Don't say Arctic Maze, cause Fox Girl
No,
will be
I
like.
didn't mean to say Arctic Maze. Okay. Wait, I gotta adjust my screen size.
Okay.
Okay.
Adjust your screen size.
Wait. 3, 2, 1.
Hi.
No, Pokemon, do that again.
It's Pokemon. It's Pokemon. I love Pikachu.
Aaron, I mean...
Woof.
Pokemon.
Okay. Hey guys, it's Pokemon.
Oh my God, wait, okay. Go!
Oh, hi.
Okay, fine, I'm doing the intro thing.
Fine, do the intro.